Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Nasi starting lineup sami bafethu engicabanga ukuthi singasebenza against the-Orbit College ngizosichaza after bafethu. So uPeterson laphana as goalkeeper, uKwinika emuva, ipartner yakhe kuzoba uMcCarthy, uCross ku-left back, ku-right back uThabiso Munyane, uMaboy laphana ereplace uMthetho. Ngizoyichaza into yakhona. uNgcobo siyamazi ukuthi ugude ngamaphasi, uyakwazi ukubaphakela lamaphasi lawa amahle, and then uMdu as i-free role laphana number 10. Then-ke uVelebayi ureplace uLilepo kule position le phinde idlale uModi, cause uLilepo kumele adlale kule position le ngale, but-ke makudlala uVilakazi bavele bambeke ngale. uLilepo kumele aqale from ebhenchini, akumelanga adlale, kumele kudlale uVelebayi amreplace. iKadaro uVilakazi, yibo abantu engithi mina abaqali laba for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So Thabiso Munyane is coming in for uSolomon abengekho comfortable kule game la against iDurban City. Sibonile uThabiso Munyane mengena laphana ubuyise ibalance laphana ku right back, even nokuya phambili uyambona ukuthi is well balanced in terms of i-contribution yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uletha ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibe more stable mekhona laphana egroundini. Into i-change important kakhulu, uMthetho akareplacewa ngoba akadeserve ukudlala. No, uMthetho uyadeserve ukudlala, deserve almost, I mean i-hard work yakhe udeserve ukudlala almost wonke ama-games. But guess what, i-Orbit College ayikho into ezoyenza kuleya game le, ayina chance nokuba ne-chance sokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukucontrola ibhola with confidence laphana eswini. Ku-central midfielder kumele badlalise uLebohang Maboy. uLebohang Maboy, the coolest thing about yena bafethu, une-versatility, uyakwazi ukuba i-creative, akwazi ukudlala irole yokuba u-number 10, akwazi ukuba central laphana, a-protect ibhola, aliholde, akwazi ukuligcina, akwazi ukuphasa kahle. So yinto ayilethayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs nayo ibhalance laphana eswini. uMthetho u-good in terms of recovery ibhola nokumaka, bebedlala ne-side elingaba competitively elingabaniki i-problem. Unfortunately-ke, or the fortunate part ukuthi ngeke i-Orbit College i-match i-Kaizer Chiefs pound to pound, ayikho into ezoyenza ngempela i-Orbit College. So i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ikwazi ukudominate i-position, but i-dominate i-position with iplani elisolid ukuthi bazokwazi ukudominate and then bakwazi ukuphusha ukuthi bathole amalokhunjana ama-results. So Maboy coming in would be a great shift for i-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of ukuholda ibhola. So I prefer him than uMthetho. Ayikho into ayenzile nkosi yami uMthetho, ayikho ngempela. Kuma-game a-more difficult la kubonakala khona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingaba expose i-defense, uMthetho udingeka more. Umuntu phela umhlalisa ebhentshini ngoba akadlali kahle bafethu, umhlalisa based on ufunda i-team ukuthi le team idlala kanjani. I mean bheka, i-Orbit College creative umuntu o-creative kuba una-43 bafethu, come on. So umuntu okumele uMthetho ammark indoda ena-43 enganaso nespeed, kusho ukuthi angeke ba-attack that much. Indoda ena-43 izinto ekumele ebhekwe. Why uNgcobo needed? uNgcobo is a good pass off the ball. Imagine uMaboy usemva kwaNgcobo or badlala i-pair, but uNgcobo unokuba nayo leyo free roll ish laphana esiswini. Cause yazi abantu bangikhuluma ngokuthi uNgcobo angithi naye uyakwazi ukudlala as number 10, uyi-attacking midfielder, but i-Kaizer Chiefs bamconverta to ini i-central. Wonke mawubheka uMaboy uNgcobo ba-versatile. uNgcobo akanaso ispeed, akakwazi ukumarka that much, but guess what, uzokwazi mani kakhulu ukulokhunjana ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs because of umsebenzi ukuthi bamarke. It's not like ukuthi badlala ne-team enama-creative midfielders like edominate-ayo ama-play, kudingeka ukuthi bamarke kakhulu. Kudingeka nje ukuthi abaphakele, abanike lawo ma-passes wakhe good because uyakwazi ukushaya amaphasi nasendaweni e-right ukuthola ama-players. uVelebayi ngabalethela leso speed leso. Why uVelebayi kubalulekile ukuthi aqala ahead of Lilepo? Lilepo is not giving i-Kaizer Chiefs that much ama-gamini amaningi. Kumele naye ahlale ebhentshini, aqale ebhentshini, or ahlale ebhentshini angayidlali nokuyidlala igame, kudlala amanye ama-player because of uyadlala ukudlala, but-ke if akayiniki lutho i-team, why kumele adlale each and every game? Because of you have to earn your place to the team. Hayi ukuthi udlale nje ngoba uyathandwa, no, you have to fight for the position. So ama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs awayekele ukuba amagwala adlalise abantu njalo, noma uthole ukuthi umuntu akakuniki lutho but uzomdlalisa njalo, uzomprefera based on ukufavor. Same thing lento le bengikhuluma ngayo kaKwinika no-Inacio Miguel, but yeah, so bona konke kulelo ko-coach, but-ke this for me would really work for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But i-system at the end of the day, iKadaro ezi-9 yabo last game baze bamreplace because of he was not there in terms of ukuba yi-striker, ukwenza umsebenzi wokuba yi-striker. bese sengathi uphinda abe defensive midfield ungasa-understand ukuthi lo muntu uyi-striker or uyini. So kumele akhave ispace sokubuyela emuva aphinde aye phambili. You can drop as a striker but not to drop uze udrophe ku-halfway line yakho as a striker, and isikhathi esiningi udlale lapho udrift emasayidini uyocollecta amabhola khona. Uma ubamba ibhola lapho wena uzolisaphi ibhola? Liyaphi ngempela uma ulibamba lapho? Awunaso leso phela u-Ighodaro mkhulu ngomzimba, akanaso leso speed leso okufana namanye ama-player. Is comfortable. Yazi uma umbheka ngathi uyi-midfielder the way comfortable ngakhona ebholeni akwaziyo nokuliprotect ibhola, unayo leyo power leyo ebalulekile for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but udingeka kuphi? Eduze ne-box, even if akusise ebhokisini phakathi, but kumele abe seduze ne-box because is able to turn, is able to protect. Udingeka laphana-ke kakhulu enze lo umlingo wakhe laphana, contribute close to the box. Kwinika, mina I would welcome uKwinika back to the lineup of i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean udlala-ke mfowethu, I mean there's no reason ukuthi angaqali i-match, there's no reason, udlala kahle. UCross kumlungu siyazi ukuthi right left back at the moment eyakhe, no one is opposing him lapha kuleya position le yakhe, udlala kahle kakhulu, is not exposed, une-height, une-composure, technique yakhe good, the ability yakhe ukuthi nje I mean yabona ungichaza omlungu ngoba wenza izinto zibe simple, akacomplicate izinto, uyazi ukuthi akusiyi-advantage yakhe ukurana namabhola to beat players ngey'kili, akusiyi-advantage yakhe, but uyakwazi sometimes ukuthatha ibhola arane, but-ke u-very calculative nakuma-runs wakhe ukuthi urana kanjani. So a good figure for i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-left back at the moment because of akanayo i-competition at the moment. Why ngithi akanayo i-competition? Because ubani uMako akekho at the moment, angithi ubuyile ejimini yes, but-ke asimboni edlala kakabi right, bathi medical team whatever bayayisho lento yabo because bakhulumile ne-media. Omunye singambheka uMdu kumele afayithe, like kumele afayithe ngempela bafowethu for isikhala sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs as u-number 10. I think kumele ngempela akwazi ukumisela, siyamazi ukuthi u-super talented, but you know what I need mina from uMdu bafowethu? Aggression. You have to be super aggressive when you are given those opportunities to play. Siyamazi ukuthi what he can give, and the aggression yabona mangaba strong abe aggressive kancane angalwa too much for a team. But what I like about yena no Vilakazi, combination yabo bafowethu baya-understandana with ease. Yabona if abantu baya-understandana, ba-understandana kahle kakhulu bona bobawu-two. Ba-in sync, uyazi ukuthi makalibambile ibhola uVilakazi u-anticipate kanjani iphasi, so ku-easy ukuthi badlale bobawu-two, so i-combination yabo ingaba right. Imagine-ke babhilde i-combination yabo plus-ke nolile ulona man uvele baye naye ngapha ukhona nespeed sakhe, uyakwazi uku-anticipate nama-runs wakhe awatime uMdu ephethe ibhola, yabona ukuthi bangadla kakhulu. And i-game bazoqala i-Orbit College, I saw them when they play i-Orlando Pirates, bazoqala i-game with high intensity, but they don't have i-squad esi-well equipped ukuthi singalwa kakhulu for singalwa pound to pound ne-Kaizer Chiefs. They don't have that talent esquadini sabo, but bazoqala i-game with high intensity, but i-talent abanalo. Yabona masikhuluma just based on i-talent and the skill to compete ne-Kaizer Chiefs, will be embarrassing for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi i-Orbit College izithole something from bona. I-Kaizer Chiefs if izolose igame, well I don't see them losing the game. I think worst results for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazothola i-draw ngoba siyabazi bangawa-create ama-chances bawageje. But yeah, yiso i-starting lineup sami se-Kaizer Chiefs lesi bafowethu esigude esingashaya noma yiphi i-team on any given day. So yeah, i-squad ekumele siye all out, sikwazi ukuphuma, sikwazi ukulwa for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Before I close this thing, I wanna go to ama-matches we-Kaizer Chiefs ewadlalile this season. Seyidlala ama-matches awu-13 nama-records wabo ukuthi lama-match lawo baphefome kanjani. I-first game of the i-Kaizer Chiefs i-Kaizer Chiefs isizini i-Kaizer Chiefs yinhle kakhulu. Into ebhedayo bafowethu elimaza i-Kaizer Chiefs kube ne-frustration nje ama-fans, ama-draw. Labantu laba baluze kayi-1 kuphela against iSikhukhune United, just one loss eligini, one loss. Yeah man, eligini baluze kayi-1 eligini, and then badlala ama-match awu-13 baluzile elikini kayi-1 and then baluze naku-Carling Knockout kayi-1. So and then le enye ngeke ngiyibale la ku-continental level. Why? Because of i-second leg amagame awu-2 angithi, so just i-counter mangisi-counter as igame eyodwa, kusho ukuthi elikini baluze just once. Masibala nje iligi kuphela, thi ngifocus elikini kulamagame abawadlalile laphana elikini because badlala amagame awu-10. So babe nama-draw, ama-draw a-frustrate-ayo kakhulu. Elikini banama-draw ayi-4 nama-lose banama-draw awu-4 nama-win awu-4, and then bane-lose against iSikhukhune United. No man, sebanama-win because bawine ekugcineni. Why ngikhohlwa bawine, banama-win awu-5 nama-draw awu-4 ne-lose eyodwa. Then Orbit College isobona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. They have the squad to compete, they have the squad to get ama-results. They can just deliver for the team, man. Danko bafethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Angazi ukuthi nina bafethu ngicabanga nge-starting lineup sami the way ngisichaze ngakhona. Danko.